Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to calibrate the display for gaming. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right off the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to calibrate the display for gaming, what you can do first is enable high refresh rate. To toggle in the high refresh rate, what you can do is simply press the function key and then press R. Now as you can see, the frame rate of the display refresh rate is changed to 144 Hz, which reduces motion blur in fast games. To access it, you can also right click on the home screen and then select display settings, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then select advanced display, and here you will find the option as well, and you can select it to the 144 Hz as well. Then next is to set the correct collection. So in display settings, what you can do is go to the display resolution and then set to your native resolution, usually 1920 into 1080 for Lenovo Long 15, and avoid scaling to maintain sharpness. The next is to calibrate color brightness. To do it, simply head over to your start menu and then type in calibrate display color right here, and once you're inside here, follow the display color wizard and adjust gamma, adjust brightness and contrast, adjust color balance, and test with the game or color for image to see if it looks natural. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.